I would like to bring to your attention a new mechanism of the BFG series. This is BFG Power, developed specifically for heavy-duty operating conditions in parking lots of apartment buildings and condominiums. It came as an alternative to the well-proven BFG 5080 mechanism. Here too, 10mm reinforced axles are installed. It works perfectly in private houses in a moderate operating mode, but in conditions when 400 opening and closing cycles occur per day, the solution suggests itself to replace the bushings and axles with bearings, which was done. This model no longer experiences any loads during operation. Please order the new BFG Power mechanism for bifolding accordion gates for heavy-duty parking lots. Contacts for ordering are in the description under the video. Thank you.